And after that, we need your channel access because we have to edit your channel's title description, and we are not able to do it without your channel's permission. But still, we no need your channel login information as like password or email, etc. because it's your privacy, and you can share with anyone this type of information. But we just still need your channel access by as a manager or as a editor. Do you know how to give?
How do I give you channel access without giving you a password?
Should I show you
You
how
can
to give?
explain it first before you show.
Now, I think if I show you each and everything, then I think you can understand.
Okay, no problem. It's fine.
Okay. I have to click on our YouTube Studio section. Then I have to click on settings section. It's looking Bengali language, but you can see it's settings. Okay.
Okay.
Click on that. Sorry, it's Bengali language. I think it will be problematic for you. And you can see there's called Onumoti in Bengali, but permission in English. Okay.
Okay. Permissions.
Yes. And in here you can see Nam means name. Okay. And
Okay.
in here it's Bhumika means rule. Okay. And in here
Okay.
you can see this email is Malik. That's mean owner. And
Oh,
you will be the owner
be
of
the
your
owner.
channel. Okay.
Okay.
So if you want to add a manager like this, then you can add. This one is manager. If I translate, just give me 1 second. Translator, it's problematic. Manager means manager. Okay.
Okay.
So if you wanna remove your manager, you can remove anytime. If you click on this, just give me 1 second. Sorry for that. I am going to show you another browser. It will be suitable for you because Bengali language, it's problematic from your side. Yes, it's English.
Okay.
Permission, and then you can see the rule. The first email is owner and this one is
Mhm.
manager. So if you want to remove this manager, then you can just click on and scroll down, then you can remove your manager anytime.
Access.
Okay, remove access. Okay, so if you wanna add your manager, if you make anyone your channel manager or editor, you can just click on invite section, then you can here you can paste this person's email. Okay, then you can
Okay.
choose access from here. Access, it's YouTube recommended. If you click on there, then you can see a lots of access available. Then and who is
Okay.
access? Who is type of you can see the manager access. Manager can view everything, manage permission, go live, and create and edit and delete your content. And if you don't wanna, then you can choose the editor access. Editor can view everything, go live, and create and edit content, can't manage permission. Okay, can't manage
Mm.
permission and delete content. That's mean manager can't manage permission and can delete your content. And also you can limited editor limited, then you can see the a lot of access available. So you can choose the your favorite one as like editor limiter limited access and paste the Gmail here and just click on done. And after sending your invitation, we will get a small invitation by our email inbox.
Okay.
Then we can just accept your invitation, and after that we can work on your YouTube channel backend. For example, I can show you right now. Yes, I'm manager of this channel. You can see you are a manager. Okay, I'm manager
Okay.
of this channel at this browser. Okay, you can see that you are a
Yes.
manager. So we can work on your YouTube channel backend like that. Okay, so you can choose your favorite access, what you want to give us.
Okay.